Hi everyone, I'm very excited to announce the launch of our super duper app, The Pace My Way. Since the lockdown, we have been working with an amazing software engineer called Andrew Lewis, who has helped us to create The Pace My Way. As part of Pace's COVID-19 lockdown response, we have made this available to you free of charge and released The Pace My Way as open source. This means that other clever software engineers can tinker with The Pace My Way and make it even better, and you, the user, can have it for free. The Pace My Way turns your computer into a bespoke speech output device that is holistically accessible and promotes communication, creativity, and exploration. It is designed for people with disabilities who access computers and communication aids via switches, touchscreen, EyeGaze, or use traditional tools like a keyboard, joystick, or a mouse. In this video, I'm going to explain what you need to get you started with The Pace My Way, give you a quick guide of the app, and share some ideas regarding how to use it. To start, all you need is a computer with internet access, inbuilt microphone, and Google Chrome web browser installed. Then just go to the link below or go to www.thepacecenter/my-way-app and follow the instructions there. It's really that easy. So let's have a quick tour of the app. We designed The Pace My Way to be as intuitive as possible, so it really is easy to use, but let's have a quick run through anyways. The Pace My Way has two main screens, the setup mode and the user mode. In setup mode, you have the logo in the top corner, then you have the control ribbon, and then you have switch channels. In the control ribbon, you can create a new project, open an existing project, and delete unwanted projects. To help you move your amazing content across devices, you can download and import projects. Make sure when you start a project you give it a unique project name so you can find that content later. The switches minus and plus option decides how many switch channels you will have in a project. Currently we allow up to 6. Switch channels. This is where the real magic happens. To start, just press add a clip. Then press and hold the mic button, record your audio clip, and then let go. You can add as many audio clips as you can handle. Remember, press and hold for a moment before you begin to record, and then wait for a moment at the end before you let go. To delete a clip, just press the X at the end of the row. To delete a whole switch channel, just press the image of the trash can at the top of the switch channel. If you want to delete a whole project, you just press the trash can icon in the main ribbon. If you want to change the order of the clips, just press, hold, and drag them into the right place. Now let's have a look at the switch ribbon. The first box is an indicator of what image and color is selected for the user mode. You can change the image and color in the next two drop-down options. Now let's see what this looks like in user mode. To get to the user mode, just switch the toggle in the top right of the screen. As you can see, you currently have a plain background with symbols for each switch channel. We have designed My Way so that users don't accidentally adjust the settings. To get back to the setup mode, you press and hold the down arrow. You can then choose to load another project or toggle back to the setup mode. The next button, initially titled Switch, enables you to assign a keyboard stroke to the switch channel. Press and hold the button and then select the keyboard stroke you want. If you already have switches set up to your computer, then press and hold the button and press the switch you want to activate that switch channel. Once you've set up all of your switch channels and recorded all of your audio clips, you can now manage how they are played. There are currently 5 functions in My Way. Sequence. You play the audio clips in the order that they were recorded. So for example, you can record a story in segments and have the user progress through it one at a time. Shuffle. Audio recordings are shuffled, therefore each is played once before the next shuffle. For example, you can use this to decide in a class which student is going to complete the activity in what order. Random. Audio recordings are played in random order. For example, you can use this to make an audio dice. Scan and prompt. Using two switch channels, you can set up one to scan and the other to prompt. The scan will play a short, low volume version of the audio clip, and then prompt will play the one selected on scan. For example, you can record a variety of greetings from hello to howdy to you're right, and the user can scan through to select their preferred greeting for each person they encounter. Hello. Howdy. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Hello. Hello. Converse. Using two switch channels, you can set one to converse A and the next to converse B. This will result in turn taking between the audio clips in each channel. You can use the interrupt feature so audio messages can be played over the top of the others by selecting yes, or they stop the current message in favour of the one that's just been initiated, that's interrupt, or you can choose to ensure each message is played fully before the next message is played, and that's by selecting no. Well, this feature is great to teach about turn taking. You can record a conversation between two users and grade their support so they can learn to listen and then respond with an appropriate time frame. You can also use it to play audio ping pong, one of my favourites. You record the word ping on converse A and then record pong on converse B, and then set two users in front of each other with a helper to act as the ball. Users need to ping or pong before they are touched by the ball. Well, we really hope that the Pace My Way is extremely beneficial to you and your family at this time and beyond. As I said previously, the Pace My Way is under development. We still have some bugs in there and we would love to hear your feedback. If you could email me at myway@thepacecenter.org. There should be a link down there somewhere. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't hesitate to contact me to share good news of how the My Way is being used. I'd love to hear your stories, so don't hesitate to contact me. If you really love the Pace My Way and you want to show your appreciation or support us with the My Way and other similar projects, then you can share this video, like it, or you can even donate some money towards this project.